Before I start the video, I just want y'all to know that I was super nervous. So if there's things that I said that didn't make any sense, or if I said something and I said it the wrong way, just know I was super nervous. So anyways, enjoy the video.
Plug.
What's good, YouTube? Back with another video. Today's video, I'm just gonna do a POV drive heading home. Nothing too crazy, but yeah, I hope y'all like the little view. Let me know if y'all like it, if y'all want a different view. I actually got like a little mount that goes right here on top of the sunroof, and then it comes down. I have that as well. I'm gonna see if I can do a little POV with that as well, probably next video. And yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna just do a little drive, nothing too crazy. I think it's like a little 25 minute drive, but yeah, so this is my little setup until I get a little GoPro. That's the goal, not gonna lie. But yeah, so let's see what's up. Hope y'all enjoy the video. Tune in, because we about to go crazy. So this is not the highway, but this is what we call Southern Boulevard. So this is kind of like the highway, because it's just like open. It's just like a straight road. So I'm gonna give y'all a little clip. I'm gonna punch the gas. But yeah, basically this car is stock. There's nothing done to it. I used to have a diverter valve spacer that used to go like in the middle of like the inlet and the intake. I believe so. Yeah, I think it was the inlet and the intake. It was like in the middle, and basically whatever excess air was coming out, basically it would come out from there and it made like a little whoosh noise. But then I took it out because my homeboy said that if I were to keep it, basically that would mess up like the pressure coming from the turbo, and I'd basically be losing PSI in the turbo. So I mean, I don't know if that's true. That's what he told me. I believed it. Y'all let me know in the comments if that's true or not. But I had to take it off. So, but it's nothing crazy. It's nothing crazy. But eventually I do want to get some stuff done to it. I'm just doing preventative maintenance. It is kind of hard because I have two jobs that don't really pay me the best, but I mean, it's paying the bills though, not the car. So hopefully with this POV stuff, you know, it takes off. But in the meantime, I mean, I'm doing it for fun. I enjoy cars. I used to actually work on cars. I used to work at Audi. I used to work at Nissan, and this one place called German Automotive, which it was okay. I mean, it was like all like BMWs, Audis, Jaguars. It was a lot of cars. But nah, I love Audis. I love the A3s. I love the S3s. I love RS3s. I also love the 340is. I love B58s, the new Supra. My dream car, it would be the M340i. That's like my dream car right there. And then I would want to keep this as like my daily. But who knows? Who knows what will happen in the future? I mean, if I get an S3, RS3, well, whatever comes first. But hold on, let me cut up right quick. Hold on. hold on. Mustang. Hold on, little Mustang. Is that a little BMW? Oh, that's the S14. Hold on. That shit hard. Hold on. No, wait, hold on. Let me do a little downshift. That shit is hard, bro. What? Hold on, I might cut up right here too. Say I won't cut this. Sir. Put the windows down. It's kind of hot in here. Hopefully it don't fuck with the audio. Put it back up. Put that hoe back up right quick. Alright, I'm gonna hit y'all when I get back when I get on the highway. Alright, y'all boys, I'm about to hit the highway now. Shit, I'm about to put this shit on sport mode. This CRV going crazy. Hold on. This CRV thinks he is. Who this guy think he is? You is not him. Damn, this car a push, bro. Can't wait to get a tune. Oh my gosh, bro. Tune, downpipe, intake. What else? High pressure fuel pump, upgraded lower pressure fuel pump. Oh my gosh, bro. Yo, who this behind me? Oh man. If y'all have any suggestions, anything that y'all want me to do, anything that y'all want me to improve in, just let me know. Like I said, I mean, I didn't say anything actually, but this is my first POV, so you feel me? This is the start right here. So if there's anything that y'all see that's wrong or y'all want me to do, like, just let me know, because this is fun. This is what I like doing. So yeah, but this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, tune in. Peace out.